Characters in Baki have this one problem with their mouth: hypertrophic masseters. You can see here that they have really overdeveloped jaw muscles. They might have bruxism. Overworking your jaw muscles can lead to the muscles getting larger and stronger. When these muscles get too strong, they put too much stress on your teeth, and you can end up with cracked teeth and teeth that are really worn down. I'd recommend an occlusal splint. Wearing this kind of splint props open your mouth a little, so it prevents your muscles from contracting as much, and that helps with the clenching, and it also helps protect your teeth from wear and tear. Follow for more.